10 multifamily units and 10 subdivided lots. 10 units average 2,036 square feet each. 1,736 square feet heated, 240 square feet rear patio, 60 square feet covered entrance porch. Each home features 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a central dining kitchen living area which is 576 square feet. Development consists of approximately 16.98 acres, zoned R3 multifamily and potential rent roll $8,000 plus PM.